in fact, the man has been held guilty for murder. This is a landmark judgment in more ways than one, because till just a few years ago, acid attacks were not treated as seriously as the consequences that the victims had to bear. Now, this 23-year-old girl had come to Mumbai with dreams in her eyes. She had got an entry into the Indian Navy as a nurse, and she was about to join it. When she landed here, when she got here to the Bandra terminus station, somebody tapped her on the shoulder. She turned around and acid was thrown at her by her neighbor. Ankur Panwar has now been held guilty of that. He's been held guilty of murder. Preeti Rathi, the 23-year-old, is no more, but her father hopes that he can be given the strictest punishment. The conviction and the quantum of sentencing will be heard tomorrow.
कत्ल करने के आरोप में 302 में दोषी पाया है। इतना ही नहीं तो प्रीति के पिताजी और प्रीति के अंकल उस वक्त उनके साथ थे और उनको भी एसिड से इंजरी हुई थी। उसके लिए भी 326 बी इंडियन पिनल कोड के तहत उनको दोषी पाया है।
A local court in Mumbai has held Ankur Panwar guilty of murder, the murder of a young 22-year-old girl, Preeti Rathi, who was just about to start her career. प्रीति अपनी करियर की शुरुआत के कगार पे थी जब अंकुर ने पूरा उसका पीछा करके उस पर एसिड और तेज़ाब फेंका था। आप उस वक्त मौजूद थे, आपके हाथ पर आज भी वो चोट और घाव के निशान है जी। तो आज कोर्ट का फैसला है कि उसे दोषी पाया गया है। सज़ा की सुनवाई कल होगी।
भाई सज़ा में यही होगी, उसको कम से कम फांसी तो होनी चाहिए।